Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how to install Apache web server in EC2 instance. Let us quickly launch an instance. I am in the EC2 dashboard. We shall give name as web server 1. Web server 1. Let us go with default Amazon machine image, Amazon Linux. It's a free tier eligible, and also we shall go instant type as T2 micro since it is also free tier eligible. Let us proceed without a key pair. Now let us create a security group. We need SSH port and HTTP port. I'm enabling both of them. Let's go default with our storage and launch instance. Our instance has been successfully launched. This is our instance. Instance state is in running and instance type is T2 micro. Status check is still initializing. We need to get 2 by 2 checks, then only we can use this. And availability zone 2 case, you no need to worry about these things and all. Welcome back guys. We have got 2 by 2 checks passed. So let us connect to our EC2 instance. The user is EC2 user. Since EC2 user don't have most of the privileges, let's go with sudo su root user. The command to switch to root user is sudo su. Enter. You can check it here. We switch it to root user. Now let us install Apache HTTP. So the command is yum install httpd -y. It is installing. And now let us check the status of httpd. The command is system you can see it as a inactive state. To make it active, we need to use one more command, systemctl start httpd. Enter. Now let us check the status again. Systemctl status httpd. Enter. And you can see the status active and running just 6 seconds ago. So our EC2 instance, our Apache server is up and running. We can check it and we can go back now and we shall check it if it is running or not. Copy the public IPv4 address, or you can click on this as well. Since we are listening on port number 80 HTTP, we shall use -80. See, it is working. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have learned anything, please subscribe and keep learning. Happy learning.